What is up, you guys? It's Saltie Pennies, and let's build some keyboards today. Alright, so if you... Alright, you guys, so the keyboards we're building today are both by EpoMaker. This is the Akko, and this is the Mskurski. Let's go! Alright, let's build this keyboard. Ooh, man. If you guys haven't seen this keyboard, I'm telling you, this thing is gorgeous. Ooh, man. Let's see what you guys think about the keycaps. Rip this open. Well, I'm sure they were nice and in order. Magnetic feet, so nice. All right, well, let's see how it types, huh? I love it. I love it. I'll reach out to the company and see if they can send me some better keys. Just these, we're 4 keys off. That's it. We'll see if they can do something. And now for this one. So these keys are like a navy, and they were supposed to be gold, but they obviously didn't come out as gold. So I don't know. I kind of want to give it a shot and see how it comes out. Look at this. It's disgusting. Look at this. Hair, stains. Look at this. It's a brand new keyboard, supposedly. Look at that. There's food particles in here and hair. That's disgusting. Look at that. More hair. Can't even deny that. Look, that one's stuck inside the key. I have not disassembled this keyboard. This was supposed to be a fun video, not a shit on EpoMaker for sending me a used board for brand new pricing. Alright, well, let's see how these keycaps turn out. Alright, chat, well, that's that built. Well, this was just supposed to be a simple build the keyboard, show it off video. And instead, I found out that EpoMaker has sold me a used keyboard as brand new. Ugh. Well, there you go. That's over there now. This keyboard looks gorgeous. I don't think there's any other way to say it. I was really worried about the round keycaps, but the gold on gold, black over light blue, I feel really ties it in. You have black accents here on the back with the magnetic removable feet. This thing is amazing. Nothing short of it. What else you want me to say, guys? I mean, you let me know down in the comments if you think that this is as gorgeous as I'm making it out to be. Because I sure as fuck think it is. I'm going to reach out to the company that makes these keycaps and see if they'll send me these 4 keys with the proper lettering on it. Because if I can, this is gorgeous. It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. Anyways, you guys, if you enjoyed the video, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Let me know what you think of the round keycaps on this Mirsky keyboard. And we're going to follow up with EpoMaker and see why they think it's okay to send me used, disgusting, nasty keyboards and make me pay full price for them. Stay salty. Deuce.